wait for them to ask you who you know.
Hello, chops.
What the fuck?
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Here's in Generals video.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've established this.
Yeah. I need sleep. Oh God, no! We're gonna die. We're facing Russians. No,
that's a guy on our team.
we're gonna win. We have Russians. Yay!
That's not how it works.
That's how it works in CS:GO.
Guy probably looked at. No, see, look, guys, the brained it. Yeah. Guy's probably American. Copy pasting from Google Translate.
Well, damn.
I'm not even gonna lie. I Google Translate too, a lot.
Wow. That's how it works in CS:GO, though. You start talking in Russian, and people in the other team just start leaving. Too bad you can't rip off the gun off the back of the truck. That'd be pretty
Oh
cool.
yeah, you know this isn't Captain America,
I actually wasn't referencing Captain America.
but
okay.
he could do that.
He probably could. But you know, we're on the German team, so Hail Hydra. Yeah. Wait, no, remember what happened last time? You shot the guy in the fucking face and he didn't die?
We traded.
Your first death was your first kill.
Kills me, makes me stronger. They say what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. No, everything that kills me makes me stronger.
Technically, everything does kill you. If you think about it, nothing really makes you live.
Twinkies can't kill me unless I'm eating a lot of Twinkies.
Then they still kill you.
Oh, this fucking... What the... Get your fucking gay ass out of here with your white bullshit.
Jesus!
Did I just...
Quick scope. He had a Tommy boy.
No, because it was a different guy.
Oh.
The fuck? They're in cahoots together.
That does not sound comfortable.
Cahoots meaning they're working together.
That still does not sound comfortable.
Dude!
No, he saved you. There.
This is a one-lane road. The fuck out of my lane.
He saved you.
That wasn't...
Your dead bodies lie next to each other now.
I found a gun. And...
You died because of it.
But it was a gun. It was like a really cool schmexy pistol.
You risked your life for a pistol. Well, damn.
That's what I call some strong fingers.
Well, no, that's what I call, letting them know you're here. Tink, tink,
Oh, this bitch
tink,
has a
tink.
scope on his Garand. Oh, what a cunt. Oh, what a cunt. You know
Come on, you know you've done that.
I don't have a scope on my Garand. So, no, I haven't done that. I picked up a gun with a Garand scope on it. And it's actually pretty damn good. Problem is, you'll be a bitch.
Oh, Jesus. Why do you keep doing that? What is the point?
What the fuck? I need to wear my headphones. Because I can't hear shit otherwise. Are you fucking...
Steal his Tommy. Oh, the grease gun.
Fucking, you do... Fucking, that's what you get.
The grease gun.
No, I don't want the grease gun. It's not greasy enough. You have to lather it in bacon grease. Like the tip of the barrel. Your whole life is a sex joke, my friend.
No, I'm gonna throw a grenade. What are you gonna throw? I'm gonna throw a med kit at him. I'm gonna throw a grenade at him. What are you gonna throw? I'm gonna throw a fucking med kit at him.
I. Oh, it kind of sounded like that one song. I. Oh, I killed him.
Oh, Krazy Train. That was the last word.
Going up the rail on a crazy train.
Somebody please make
Are
that
you
a meme.
cha-cha shitting me? Kill assist.
Goes from like rage quit mode to ooh, I kill assist.
If I learned anything from Break Devices, it's that. Small victories, my friends. Shooting the...
Oh shit, there's somebody up there. Ah! I saw him out the corner of my eye, too.
You told me too late.
Took a second to register in my brain. I was like, wait, there's somebody sitting up there. Oh shit, somebody's
Usually
there.
I'm the one smelling out the enemy scrotums, but this time it was you.
And I don't even have the fucking headphones. What the fuck?
You don't need headphones to smell out enemy scrotums. I mean, just taste the air.
I taste nothing. There is no blood in this general facility. Let's kill the motherfucker.
Going up the rail on a crazy train. Oh, that would have been great if it got a kill.
He's up there still.
Probably.
Probably. Oh. Oh shit. Wrong side. It was the same part.
I know it was that side. I tried to flank.
You should just grab a Panzerfaust, then just be like, bitch, try me now.
Oh yeah, get shot in the fucking face again and going, oh, he only did nothing. Going up. Okay, now I got that shit stuck in my head. Fuck.
That's what she said.
Ay!
How did you miss that? How did you manage?
That's usually what I'm telling you.
Exactly. Shit's just fucked up.
For a minute. Gotta heal with the bar of soap.
No, it's the bar of Twinkies.
No, it's a magic eraser.
Yeah, because it erases all the pain. And all the wounds. Motherfucker, there's 6 motherfuckers on this fucking objective. What the fuck?
This bastard. He's not even here.
He's there, he's there. He's gonna get you.
You bitch, I was looking for you this whole time. One way or another, I'm gonna get you one way.
Or another, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna get you.
Was there a guy?
Yeah, there was a guy. He hopped down the little thing.
That little tater sneech.
See? There he is.
Didn't even, dude, you didn't even hit me.
Yeah, he hopped down here. That was priceless.
Brrr. I don't know how that happened, but we did it. They're winning by a lot of points.
I bet you that punch back up top.
These bastards aren't even out over there. Nope, 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 nope. Hey, nope.
Ha! Got him!
Shut up. Shut up, I don't need any more music stuck in my head at this point. Boop. Sir, your testosterone levels seem to be extremely high. My underwear up in my ass cheeks. I got a super widget. Oh my god, your aim is horrible.
Hey, you're the one aiming.
Are you shitting me? You shoot a guy 10 times in the damn face and he's just going, ow. Ow, stop it. It hurt.
It didn't hurt.
What
Well,
the?
damn.
What the fuck was that? Oh, he did. Ah,
Bro! Half a fucking bar of health.
not even half a bar, dude. That was like sliver. That's that time where you feel like you gotta take a massive piss, but you only spritz a couple drops. You're like, what the fuck? Get out of me! Come on, come on. Hans man. Or oh,
How the fuck? Y'all both suck at aiming.
I don't understand. My aim was like dead on last night, and my aim this morning just like Salt Lick. Don't know what the fuck it is, but I can't focus. It's irritating the shit out of me that my aim is tater tots.
What the fuck? My phone's starting to piss me off.
Come on, come on. And there was a second guy with a damn grease gun too. Shot the first greasy bastard, then the second grease bastard walked in. And we lost. Sweet Mother Mary of Jesus. Alright. That didn't end well. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please push that like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button.
Even though we lost.
Yeah.
See ya.
Do post a comment down below. Peace.
Thank you.